Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I will teach you how to add cover art to Spotify local files. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now we can begin our video tutorial. First of all guys, make sure that you have got Spotify app on your device, and then you need to have mp3 music files guys. You can find your favorite song on YouTube and you can convert video to mp3. To convert the video to mp3, you can go to Google and type the simple keyword in the Google, convert YouTube video to mp3, search, and you can open the first link. So this is the website. From here you can convert your video to mp3. Just paste the video URL right here and click the convert button, and then you will be able to download the mp3 file to your PC. Once you will have mp3 music file, then you need to use this website, which is called tagmp3.net. With help of this website you can generate a music file with an album art guys. So you need to choose the file. For example, let's choose this music file, and we need to upload it on this website. And from the first gap, which is called choose a new album art or picture, we need to browse a picture and we can set the album art guys. From here there are also other gaps. You can fill all of the gaps, title, artist, album, and etc guys. And once you will fill all of the gaps and once you will finish it, then you can click done, generate new files, and this website will generate a music file with an album art guys. And now we can open the Spotify app. First of all, we need to change some settings. First of all, click the profile button in the top right corner and go to settings. First of all, we need to enable this show local files, and then we need to add a source. Before we add the source, we need to create the folder. For example, let's create a folder on desktop and let's call it music. And we need to put the music files inside this folder, and let's open Spotify again and let's click add a source button. And from here we need to choose this folder we created a few seconds ago. We can turn off other sources guys, and let's go to the home page. As you can see, we see the local files in our library, so we can click this local files, and here is the song which we uploaded a few seconds ago. So this is the method how to add cover art to Spotify local files. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and see you in the next video.